this video we are going to overview some of the best on-chain projects that I believe have a really good uh, potential to do 2x, 3x, and even 10x in the coming weeks or months. So let me first remove these indicators and drawings, and let's start with GPU. GPU, also known as Node AI. This is a really good project and currently has a market cap of like 172 million. But and you can see it also has FDV of 172. What it means is that it has a fully diluted market cap of 172. It means that the circulating supply is also the total supply. I mean, the total supply is also the circulating supply. So no more coins will be distributed in future, which is really great. And one of the best thing about it is, as of now, it recently broke out of its resistance zone, which it was for a while, like a couple of days now, from probably from 6th March to 8th March. So today it broke out and it is currently going well. I believe it will come back. My scenario, if you are thinking about taking an entry on it, I would recommend you to wait for a while when it comes back to 1.35 or 1.25, and then you will see another upward rise in the price. To be honest, I'm not expecting so much from this project as of now. The reason is that considering the market cap it has already, which is like 171, and if you look at some of the biggest on-chain AI project, they have compared to this one, they have a similar kind of a market cap. I mean, there are some billion dollars projects as well, but not as much as the other layer one projects or some gaming projects. So that's why it can go up to like three 300 million. So it will probably be like 2.5 or $3. So this is what you can expect from this project in mid-range midterms, which means like probably between 2 to 3 months from now. Let's see how it plays out. And the other coin I'm currently looking at is Scalia Infrastructure. Uh, it is also a gaming project, and currently it is trading in a range, and I really like it. Recently, it bounced back from 0.2 to spot zone, which it is holding for quite a while. And if you look, one of the key reason why I'm giving this is because it has a market cap of like literally 41. So if we compare it to GPU, which got like 172 million, so I believe like it can do the same. I mean, it can follow what GPU did. And so for that reason, I'm also into it. I'm holding it. And one more thing I would like to mention is that I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not a financial advice. And I will be selling in profits. I will be selling time to time, and this is not something I'm holding forever. So if you got a good returns on your investments, you should. It will be a better idea to at least get your capital out first, and then play with the other, like consider it a moon bag for 5x or 10x in returns. But currently looking at this, it got a resistance around 0.46. So just like GPU, what I believe is, for example, you should first look at uh, uh, the the broke of structure. For example, if it broke out of this structure, it will probably do like this, something like this, like what GPU is doing. So I believe if you see a broke of structure from here, it will be a better idea. to take an entry like here 0.45 or 0.67, and then target at least like $1 in mid range. I probably believe that it is soon will be able to catch that move. I mean, it easily will be able to do $1 in within a month or two, and in terms of you can also read their go through their website, and I really believe in the project itself. This is what I have invested on, and there is also a narrative like AI projects are all the AI projects are doing so well, so you can play out with that narrative as well. So with that, the other project I am thinking about is wBAI. So this is Balance AI, another AI queen, and I believe it will do better as well in the coming days. Um, to be honest, this is something I'm holding for a while, and I believe it can do really good in the coming days because it is trying to build a structure, a market structure that will provide a marketplace for AI agents and AI tools to be sold to provide a service. So the idea is really great and unique. No one is actually working on it. I mean, there are projects, but not as low as it is and as promising as it is. So and if you look at this the chart, it is also moving like if you see that it is making higher lows, and then higher lows, higher highs, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then higher high, higher lows. So this is something you should look into a structure of any queen when doing technical analysis. So if you also see uh, it breaking out from this 18.72 zone, I think it will be a better idea to have some or accumulate some. You can also accumulate right now, but it is up to you. And I believe it can easily do 2x from here. Like I would probably, I mean, 80 is probably a good, I would say, a first TP for this queen. Okay, 80 is, I mean, if you look at the return on investment, it is really good. I believe this is something what you should, I mean, look at. Like, I believe it is, you should keep your stop loss below 10 or around 10. This will be a good idea since we are looking for a higher return, and you can see the volatility happens so quickly in on-chain projects. So this is something you should also look into. And the fourth project I am gonna suggest to you guys is OPSEC. Uh, I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, but I hope you get it. And for this one, this really recently has gone through a lot of FUD. But it got a really good. I mean, in terms of utility, in terms of development, it got a really good team which is working tirelessly to ensure that project is moving forward, which is really good. So looking at that, I believe if it doesn't broke out from this level, I believe it will probably be land somewhere in here. So if you find it somewhere in here, it can be a good trade. Like maybe before we otherwise if for example if right now it broke out of this market structure which is a side movement from like last 2 weeks, so I believe taking a re-entry from here will be a great idea. So just keep an eye on these projects. I'm not gonna suggest more from here, but I believe these two can easily give you like 200, I mean 200% returns on investment, like 2x easily. So but one thing I would like to let you know is that do not put all your eggs in one basket. So make sure to diversify your portfolio, and more than that is that you should also understand that these projects like Node GPU or the other one that are on-chain project, they can have a really good return on investment, but also the risk for potential losses is also great. So you should also do proper risk management before getting into these. And I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.